So we are going to be filling in our summary sheet. So we're going to take some of the text from quarter one and copy and paste it over into summary. And the range of cells that we're going to select is basically A4 through A19. And we're going to do copy. And we'll go over to our summary sheet. I'm going to click on A4 and we are going to paste. Now, if we do a regular paste, we're going to have an issue with the column width. So what we want to do is click on the arrow here, and we want to tell it to keep the original width. So when we copied from quarter one, that column width was wider. So we're going to pick keep source column width, and that will automatically widen up this column to match what it was in quarter one. And we're going to activate cell B3, and we're going to go ahead and key in total sales. And we're going to change the width of B to 12. And I never get that quite right, so I'm going to go into column width. And I'm just going to use the column width command to get the 12 in there. And then we're going to bold and center B3. And then we're going to go back to quarter one, and we are going to copy A1 and A2. So we're just going to drag over those two, copy, go back into summary, and then we are going to click on A1, and we'll go ahead and paste. And then we're going to edit what's in A2. So instead of quarterly sales report, we're going to select that and key right over the top and key in sales summary. And at this point, we're going to save. And now we're going to do the fun part. We are going to do a 3D formula. And basically what we want is we want the food in the dining room total from each of these sheets added together and displayed in our summary sheet. So there's a very specific way they want us to do this. We're going to do equal sum with a left parenthesis. Then we're going to click on quarter one. And we are going to press shift and click on quarter four. Remember, that groups them all. And we are going to select cell E4. And then we're going to press the enter key. And because these are grouped, it is going to sum E4 in every single one of them. And you'll notice once you press enter, they're ungrouped. So if we click up here, you can see we've got equal sum, and the range it's looking at is quarter one through quarter four, and specifically cell E4. So that is telling it to take cell E4 in each of those sheets and add them together. And that is precisely what it's doing. Now you may be thinking, does the fill handle work? And yes, it does. So we can actually take that fill handle and we can drag that all the way down. Okay, and then you will look and you can see that it is actually going in and basically taking each one of these values in all four sheets and adding them together. And they want us to do a little formatting. So we're going to click on the first one, the first number in B4, control and click on the last one in B16. And those need to have the accounting format. And then you'll notice that I have the little hashtag thing going on. So I'm just going to double click, use the autofit so I can see it. And they actually want no decimals. So let me decrease that. Okay, with no decimals, you probably can see the number without using autofit. And then for the numbers in between, we're going to use the comma format. And again, they want no decimals. And then we will click away and save our changes.